Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1967 Chevy Nova, little pro touring car, guys. Wicked awesome car. I actually did some trading to get this car. One of my sales guys here, Jimmy, he and I did some trading on a pickup truck, and but anybody who knows Jimmy knows the kind of cars he's got. This thing's nice. I mean, this is a slick car. 2-year-old frame off restoration, really nicely done. Pretty color combo. It's got that silver metallic with the black deluxe interior in it. Got a just sweet running 355 cubic inch, 385 horse, backed by a 700 R4 automatic overdrive trans, Ford 9-inch with 373 gears. Car drives like it's on rails. It's got a Heidts Mustang II complete front suspension with the whole cradle and everything, tubular upper and lower control arms, power rack and pinion steering. I can't say enough about this car, guys. It's nice. It is really a pretty car. You can see they've updated the headlights. Chrome and stainless is very nice. Not really much you could really pick on the paint. Here's something you can pick. You can see the front bumper, original front bumper. We got a brand new one for it that'll be installed. Just Jimmy's got to bring it up for me. So again, we will replace that front bumper. Paint is slick as can be. It's in the shade right now, but once we pull it out here, you'll get to see it in the sunshine. This thing's pretty. Like I say, there's not a whole lot that I can really nitpick on this car. Very nice. Good solid straight body. You can see the glass has all been replaced. Car sits good. Runs, like I say, runs and drives excellent. You look for a nice little deuce, I think you'll be hard pressed to find a nicer one than this one for the money. Really good looking car. Little mark on that back trim. You can see there's a little crack right there in the paint. That's about all you're nitpicking, guys. This is a nice car, really pretty car. It is absolutely bitter cold, man. We got sunshine, but guys, I am freezing my tail off out here. Very cool piece of billet trim they had made for the back there. You can see that car's nice and straight down the sides. Really nice set of 17-inch black chrome American Racing torque thrusts. BF Goodrich Gforce ZR rated rubber all the way around it. That car sits good. New rear bumper. Car's only got about 600 miles on it since it was done. 4-wheel disc brakes. If you don't, we really like the red trim around the wheel. If you don't like it, that is removable. But I dig it. Again, 4-wheel disc brakes, complete Heidts Mustang II front suspension, complete carrier unit. .355 small block Chevy, 385 horse, got a Demon carb on it, polished intake, dart heads on it. Again, power rack and pinion steering. You can see it tubular and upper and lower control arms. Power 4-wheel disc brakes. It's got all the March aluminum pulley system on it. Ceramic headers. MSD HEI distributor. Let's get the big radiator in it with it's got I think it's got electric fan on the front there. Really nice. Turn the key, take it right to the car show, guys. And it's just as nice on the bottom. Engineered nice, got frame connectors. And the nice thing about it, pick up the phone and call Jimmy. He can tell you even more about it than I can. This is a great body style, man. A-pillar trim's nice. A couple little marks there. New mirrors, look how nice the glass is. New door handles. That trim on the top's real nice. New door rubbers. All new interior, black deluxe. Sorry, man, I'm stuttering. My nose is running. I'm freaking freezing out here. Bucket seats, center custom console. That's a Lokar shifter. Billet steering wheel. All custom carbon fiber gauge, phantom gauges. Again, it's showing 7 miles on. Jimmy said it's actually got about 600 on the complete restoration. Custom audio sounds, radio in it. It's got all the plugins and stuff like that for, I'm sure, for your, you know, whatever, iPad, whatever those things are. Again, 4-wheel disc brakes, frame tied, 700 R4 overdrive transmission. That thing is super cool right there. I can't remember what Jimmy said he paid for that. 9-inch Ford, 373 limited slip rear end. I think it's got air shocks, he said, in the rear. It's all dynamatted. They've relocated the battery to the trunk, spare. This little write-up that Jimmy did for me on it, and also here's all your receipts and everything like that on the build. Yeah, I think this is all you see the dynamat underneath. Got it up on the hoist, got some pictures of the bottom of the car for you. Car is very, very nice. Sorry guys, if I start getting shaky here, my right hand's freezing, man. I gotta put it in my pocket. Seats are super nice. They've definitely been all padded and refoamed. That's a nice, nice car, man. Oh, there's your lock for your wheels. Go ahead, Jordy, you can fire it up. This thing sounds mean as can be. This thing scoots, guys. It runs out strong. That's a good looking car. Good looking. Gauges are all functional. This stuff's pretty cool. If you look in there, it lights up really cool. Tach works. All your gauges work. Well, that's a nice Nova right there, man. Pretty car. We're searching. There you go. Somehow it works. I know it works. There. You going? We're gonna blow our ears out here in a minute. I know it works, guys. I don't know what we're doing wrong. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Changes daily. You can also keep track of us through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You get a notification every time I post one of these videos. Or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Oh, I like that car. Have a great day, guys.